This is Johnston with hands-on project 10-1, and what we're going to basically be doing is opening our task manager. So basically we just go down here and we type in task mgr.exe, and there it is on top. You can also, instead of just clicking on this, you can right click down here and go to start task manager, and that's on our Windows, basically our toolbar down here. And I've seen that work on just about any Windows version so far, starting from XP onward. Now, here's all of our processes right here, and this only shows our local user that I am right now. So if we go show processes from all users, then see a few more things will pop up if you have any other users open at the moment. And so in our case, we do have a few more, just maybe probably our public user or something like that. Now, if we don't know what's going on with any of these, we can just right click on it and we'll look at it and say, what's that? Go to properties, and in here you can go to the security tab and you can see what kind of permissions it has. And like this one only has read and execute, and this one is based upon basically audio driver. So and they don't really tell you that right here. I just know which one that one is. And then our next step, we just, let's say we don't think we should have that in our system. Say for example, Explorer, or a lot of times you can end task for Explorer because there might be a virus on here. So we just go to end process or end process tree. So if you did in process, it would end just that one. If you did in process tree, anything that's related to this, it will get rid of, not get rid of, but basically in the process of all those. It's almost like getting rid of it, but it'll make it so that they no longer are going to be working. So let's go ahead and go in process here, and we'll see the effect here. See, there you go. Our graphical user interface for Explorer is gone there. And now we can go to our services, and then we'll see in here that basically these are all of our services, and they show you which ones are running and which ones are not. So here's one that's running and there's one that's stopped. And you can move these over and adjust to see the descriptions of what they are and what group they're under. Now, the one thing I didn't see, so on here, oh, it's right here. So basically, we just go right here, we can go to process, and it'll show us which one that one's loaded right here in our processes. So our services can tell us what's going on here. And from here, you can actually go to services, but it doesn't always highlight the one that it's using. So it just depends on which one you're doing there. And this doesn't always show everything that's running. Like if you have a rootkit in your system, so someone infected your machine, sometimes it won't show up on here and sometimes it will. Just depends on what it is, but if it's a rootkit, usually it won't. And there you go.